Good evening, folks. We Vedic folks, especially wishing you a very happy Akshaya Tritiya day. This day is a very auspicious day because lot of events happen in this day. It is believed to give something on this day, whatever you wish to offer to anyone. You can offer today. You can offer something to Brahma. If you want to offer, you can offer something to the poor people. If you want to purchase something, also you can do, but that is not mentioned in scriptures. To purchase gold or to purchase any property is not mentioned in any scriptures. This day is very special to offer something. When you offer something, that will be multiplied and returned to us. So if we offer the bhakti, that will multiply. If we offer money to the poor, that will get multiplied and come back to us. If we offer jewels or something else, that will get multiplied. If we purchase jewels, that will also get multiplied, but that is secondary, that is not mentioned. That is because of our greed and ignorance we are doing in this material world. We can't do with that. So we are performing Akshaya Tritiya Puja. This is very auspicious in getting back the bhakti, and by the way, Mahalakshmi and Kubera can able to grant us the boon of prosperity and undeclining wealth. The wealth will stay with us forever. So performing this puja is very auspicious on this evening on Akshaya Tritiya day. So we wish you a very happy Akshaya Tritiya, and those who are sponsored and those who have been participating in this ritual are all blessed because they are going to get the boons and blessings from all the 8 Mahalakshmis, Ashtalakshmi and Kubera. This day is very special. Lot of events have happened in this day. Ganges, Ganga Devi came to here on this day. This day also is the beginning of a Treta Yuga. This day is very special because Sudama, who is friend of Lord Krishna, met Lord Krishna after long years, and Lord Krishna gave him back lot of jewels and wealth in return to him for the food he has been given to Lord Krishna. Pandava received Akshaya Patra from Surya on this day, sun god from this day. Vyasadeva, the sage Vyasa, compiled Mahabharata on this day, started composing Mahabharata on this day. Adi Sankaracharya composed Kanagadara Stotram on this very great day. And as you know, Kubera received all his wealth and position, and it is also said that Goddess Annapurna Devi appeared on this great day. Lord Parasurama, one of the great Avadara representing Venus Graha, appeared on this day. Parasurama Jayanti is being celebrated on this day early morning. This day is also a very auspicious day for celebrating any functions, any family functions, as well as any rituals for Mahalakshmi to get multiple types of wealth and power and everything in your life. So main thing is, this is a very great day to receive everything from the cosmos, what we are going to offer. So we ask you to pray and offer your bhakti to Goddess Mahalakshmi and Kubera, so that you will in turn receive the prosperity that will stay with us for so long, because property will not stay with anyone for a very long time. Even though if it stays, there will be a lot of other problems that emanates, like health issues or anything because of the karma. make sure the property and the wealth stays for us forever. So now we are going to start with Ganesha Puja, Sankalpam for all the sponsors, and then we will do Avaganams, and we will do all the Dikpala Devata Avartis, Avaganams, and we will invoke Agni. In Agni we will invoke Swaha Devata, and through Swaha Devata we will invite all the 8 Mahalakshmis, and then we will invoke Lord Kubera to bring us prosperity, which will stay with us for a very long time. And then we will do Shri Suktam, Meta Suktam, Durga Suktam, Purnavati and Namaskaram. Also this homam will go for next 5 years. So please watch this and get the boons and blessings from Shri Mahalakshmi and all the 8 Ashtalakshmi Devis. So now I am giving it to our priest to perform Ganesha Puja.